Guys around here, you get one of these crazy last minute decisions. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. I come up with these ideas at the craziest time. So I figured it's time to get the SAS controller and plug it into one of these servers and use these highly technical SAS cables. Hook up that massive drive unit down the bottom there. You can see it. There's 12 drives in it. So I'm gonna work on that because I don't know, I get these crazy ideas at these times, you know. My schedule's crazy. But sometimes it's too painful to sleep, you know, staying in one position too long. So, alright, I'll keep you posted as we go. So I got this out of the rack. This is why I like these racks a lot. This doesn't have a lot of memory, so while we're doing that, I figured we'd upgrade some memory too. I got a little bit here. We'll blow this out with some memory and see if we can get this card in there. The card's got to go in one of these risers, so we'll get on it. So we got the card in the riser. This is the riser. And she fits in there nice. It's got the original cover panel. And then I guess we'll plug this in. Let's see. So the controller's down in there. We'll get a better look when we, since we got it out, let's throw some memory in here. This only got, I think this only has 12 gigs in here. So let's throw some memory in here. And look at the chart, see where they belong. Because in these you gotta do them right. Alright? Then we'll plug these cables up and see what happens. Out for now. Some more memory in there, and if you look, this memory is the same pattern as this one, just turned around. Reciprocal. Single, 2 spaces, double, 1 space, double. And from this end, it's the same configuration going this way. And this one goes this way. It has to be right or else it won't function. And I can load it up completely, but it actually slows it down to have that much memory in there. I may actually do that. But for now, we'll go for the smoke test. That's why it's nice that this is on wheels. Okay, so we got the controllers plugged in, cables are plugged into the unit. The first thing we're going to do is make sure that memory is registering and working. So we're going to do that now. Stand by. So we still got a little bit of memory left. I wish DDR4 costs the same as this. And this is actually better memory. This is registered memory. It's a smart memory. It's error correcting. And it's fast. It's crazy that DDR4 costs like 10 times as much. Alright, so this top unit has the controllers in it. The next unit's got, what does it have? It's got a lot of memory, just 8 disk drives. And the next unit, it's got 8 drives and 6 core 12 thread. And the next one, this one's got a GTX 1050 Ti in it, short one, 3 gig. And the little Hewlett Packard, this guy here. That's the middle one with red tabs. That's got a GTX 1030. They both of these do HDMI, full editing, full video, nice, and can be controlled by a VGA or the HDMI cable to these monitors. Got audio and video. All right, so stand by. Let's get the test going here. First, we'll see if this thing, the memory works. It's crashed out. So I use my $20 IBM memory, CRT LCD screen and keyboard. $20 with the slide out, everything. $20. It didn't have a power supply, so that's why I thought junk. I don't. It may be junk, but it isn't really junk. I had power supplies from IBM laptops, and they're exactly the ones that belonged on this monitor and keyboard setup. So I just plugged in the VGA cable to the top unit, and now we'll plug in the USB for the keyboard. Yes, sir. And we'll fire up. Alright, so he's plugged up. And they're not as blinking slow as you can start, so let's start them up. These usually take a long time to boot up, but this guy's pretty quick. I got these systems pretty well optimized, you know? And this thing came up so fast before I got the tripod and got the camera on it, it had already loaded Windows, so I'm restarting it to get into the BIOS. Alright. So, I'll edit this out so you don't have to watch. That's fine, okay. First, let's look at the system setting. Memory. 36 gigs. 36, is that right? Let's see, what do we have? I thought we had 5 on each side, should have been 40. Maybe one of them is not seeing. But let's go back to it and see it under the system information, summary. Yes, this has it's got two 5520s, 4-core 8 threads. They're not the super fast on that. Everything else has got 8-core 16 thread and 6-core 12 thread. But it's got hyper-threading and everything else on it, so that's good. Memory's at 12. Yeah, 36864. So it's either not reading a DIMM or I just don't remember what I put in there. Alright, now how do we go find if it sees this controller? Adapter. Okay, I'm going to power up this array for hold your ears, guys. Alright, sorry about the noise coming. Let's tell us what this is. Not as bad as it was the other day. It's getting up there. Turbo jet time. I told you this sucker's loud. That's the disco ray down the bottom. But I got it working. I'm going to let it go to Windows because Device Manager sees all the drives. I haven't reconfigured them yet. I figured out what I'm doing, but I'll go to Disk Manager. So disk 0, disk 1, each one of these is a terabyte, and look how many we got. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I I think these are virtual. So 24 drives, the 12 drive bays, so I think they got 12 virtual drives. Oh, I don't know how it laid it out, I'm not quite sure. That one says 99 gigs. The rest of these are terabyte. So yeah, the next 12 don't have the red virtualization thing, so I believe those are the distributor drives. And you go up top, that's all it's got. Partition. So it's definitely working. I haven't quite figured out how I want to configure it or address it, but that'll be part of the fun. Alright, so looks like about 5, 6 in the morning I'm probably making a racket. I've been going straight. I'm waiting for the parts to be I'm waiting for a thread ripper part so you can finish that today. Put that to bed. Alright, he's off. He's off. Thinking like he's off, so I'm going to power down the server, the disk array. So another good experiment, works. Quite interesting. Alright, so in about a half an hour we're able to pull out of the rack, put in some memory, put in the controller, and get it recognized. I got to configure from there. Alright guys, out for now.